Okay, so far, maybe take half a step back so we're not blocking that. So far, not too hard, right?
Yeah.
We just had to recognize that the absolute value can changes positives, leaves positives, and changes negatives to be positives. Okay, so let's look at x equals 4x minus 60. How do you solve that?
Well, you can move the 6 to the other side and the x to the other side.
Okay, what do you get?
And you get 60 equals 3x.
Okay.
So x is 20.
Okay. Now, a very important thing is to go back and make sure that x equals 20 works here. Okay? So we know we're going to have 20 on this side. Does 20 equal?
It's the absolute value of 40 minus the absolute value of 60 minus 40. So we get 20 is 40 minus the absolute value of 20. So, yes, this does work.
Okay, so x equals 20 works. Very important to go back and check here. So 20, that works.
Now 60.
All right, how do we solve that equation?
X equals 60.
Very good. So we have, what do we have here?
60 equals the absolute value of 120 minus the absolute value of 60 minus 120.
Oops, minus 120. Okay, so what does this work out to be?
Well, this is 60 equals 120.
Don't forget your absolute
Yeah,
values.
absolute value of 120 minus the absolute value of minus 60. So this is a plus 60, and it works.
Okay, so this is 60 equals the absolute value of 120 minus 60.
60 is
Which
the
is
absolute
60.
value of 60.
Okay, so x equals 60 works. Okay. What about minus x equals minus 4x plus 60?
Well, here you get 5x equals 60. So x is 12.
Okay, let's check. This
12
equation, 12
Equals the absolute value of 24 minus the absolute value of 60 minus 24.
Okay.
So now we get 12 is 24, absolute value of 24, minus 60 minus 24, that's going to be 36. So 12 is the absolute value of 24 minus 36, because that turns positive.
Yeah.
So this one works as well.
So the inside of this is 12 equals the absolute value minus 12.
Then minus 12 turns positive.
Okay, so 12 works. Okay, what about the last one?
X equals minus 60.
Okay.
So minus 60 equals, this one can't work.
Why not?
Because absolute values are always positive.
Ah. So whatever's inside of here
It's going to be positive.
is going to be positive.
But this is not positive.
That is not positive. Are you sure?
Yeah,
Are you double sure?
yeah.
Are you positive? Okay, that can't work. So this, I betcha, the actual problem said find the sum of the solutions, which is 80, 92. But I betcha one of the solutions is 32. One of the choices is 32.
Yeah.
If you didn't go back, this is why I say you got to go back and check and make sure those solutions work. And this one does not work. So it's just 20, 60, and 12. Okay? So how do we solve an absolute value equation? You just got to remember that it can be positive and negative, so you just got to go through the cases. We got 2 sets of absolute values here. So there's 4 cases, 3 of which work. Okay?
Yep.
All right. Good job, man. Good job.